Hello children, today we will see about the statistical functions. Statistical functions actually used to analyze the data. Some functions are there like average, which displays the average of the given number or the values. Max, that is the maximum function, which displays the maximum number from the given values. And the minimum, that means the min function, that returns the minimum value from the values. So now let us see the example.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Next topic is the data manipulation. Data manipulation means controlling the data. डेटा को कंट्रोल करना डेटा मैनिपुलेशन कहलाता है. सो डेटा मैनिपुलेशन में हमारे पास कुछ ऑप्शंस हैं लाइक गोल सीक, filter option, sorting option, that means arranging the data in particular order. So these things we will see in the data manipulation. So with the help of these options, goal seek, filter and sort, we can do the data manipulation. हम डेटा को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. So let us see the first option, that is the goal seek.
Excel has a wonderful feature named Goal Seek used for fixing a specific result for one cell by adjusting a value in another cell. Follow these steps. Enter data in a worksheet. Calculate total and percentage as shown in the figure. Click on Data tab and click on What If Analysis button in the Data Tools group. Then select Goal Seek option. The Goal Seek dialog box will appear on the screen. In Set Cell text box, define the cell address F5 on which the Goal Seek is to be applied. In this box, always refer the cell that contains formula. Type the new value 90 as a result into value text box. Press the Tab key. Click on D5 cell on your worksheet. The address will appear in by changing cell text box and click on OK button. The Goal Seek status dialog box appears on the screen displaying the target value 90 and current value 90. Click on OK. Observe the change in cell D5.
Filter option is used to select the specified records. Means आप रिकॉर्ड्स में से जो भी आपको रिकॉर्ड्स को डिस्प्ले करना है, उसे यूटिलाइज करना है, आप उन रिकॉर्ड्स को सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. तो एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू हम ये देखते हैं कि कैसे हम फिल्टर ऑप्शन का यूज़ कर सकते हैं.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Next function is the logical function. Logical function, also known as the conditional function, or it is the comparison function, where the criteria of the condition is satisfied in the form of true or false. So let us see now. In this logical function, we will see the if function. The syntax of the if function is on the screen. Now let us see the example how this if function works.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Our next topic is conditional formatting. So इस ऑप्शन का यूज़ करके आप कंडीशन के बेसिस पर या कंडीशन के अकॉर्डिंग अपने सेल्स को हाईलाइट कर सकते हैं. तो एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू हम देख सकते हैं और देखेंगे कि कैसे हम कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग यूज़ कर सकते हैं या उसे कैसे अप्लाई करेंगे.